This video describes how to configure NAT server on the USG6000F series so that servers on the intranet can provide external services. The following describes how to configure NAT server based on a specific network. A company deploys device A at the network border. To enable the web server on the intranet to provide services externally, you need to configure the NAT server function on the device. The preceding figure shows the NAT server configuration process. Log in to the web UI. Configure interfaces. Choose Network Interface. Click the Edit button for GE0002 and set the parameters of the intranet interface. Set zone to DMZ. Enter the IP address of the intranet interface 10.2.0.124. Click Edit button for GE0001. Set the parameters of the external network interface. Set zone to untrust. Enter the IP address of the external network interface 1.1.1.124. Configure a security policy. Choose Policy Security Policy Security Policy. Click Add Security Policy. Set the name of the policy. Set the source zone to untrust. Destination zone to DMZ. Destination address to 10.2.0.0.24 and action is permit. Configuring the NAT server function. Choose Policy NAT Policy Server Mapping. Click Add. Set public IP address to 1.1.1.10. Set private IP address to 10.2.0.7. Set protocol to TCP. Set public port to 8080. Set private port to 80. Enable auto-generate black hole route. Enable allow server access traffic. Enable NAT ALG for FTP. Choose Policy is greater than ASPF configuration and select FTP. Configure a default route. Choose Network Route Static Route. In Static Route List, click Add and configure a default route so that the service traffic provided by the intranet server can be forwarded to the router. Set destination address or mask to 0.0.0.0.0.0.0 and next hop to 1.1.1.254. In addition, you need to configure a static route on the router to the public IP address 1.1.1.10 and set the next hop to 1.1.1.1 so that the traffic destined for the server can be sent to the device. The configuration procedure is not described in this video. Verifying the result. Users on the internet can access the web server on the intranet. When you run the command shown in the video, you can view the IP address and port translation information.